Let's see what's new today. I don't want to do anything today.
David, could you help me with the housework? I can't clean everything by myself.
Okay, Lucy. Just one more minute, please. I am tired.
You always say 1 more minute, but you never stop using your phone.
Come on, Lucy. I worked hard all week. I just want one relaxing day.
I understand. But this is our home. We should take care of it together. Oh no. What is wrong? Why is the vacuum cleaner making a strange sound? Oh dear. Noah dropped his sock under the bed again. I reminded him many times.
Emma, look! The superhero is flying! Wow, he is so cool. I hope he wins.
Everyone, please look around. Our house is so messy, even though I clean it every day.
Come on, Mommy. We will tidy up soon. Don't worry.
Noah, I told you not to throw your socks everywhere. This one was under your bed again.
I'm sorry, Mommy. I forgot. Mommy, please. We promise we will clean up our toys when this cartoon ends.
Relax, Lucy. Everything will be fine.
They don't know how hard it is to clean this house. If I were not here, what would happen to our home?
Listen, everyone. Next week, I have a 4-day business trip in New York.
Don't worry, Lucy. 4 days will be easy. I will take good care of Emma and Noah.
Mommy won't be home? Yay! No rules. We are free. Yes, we can watch TV at night. Nobody will tell us to go to bed early.
Even if I am not home, you must keep the house tidy every day. Remember 3 things. First, tidy your toys and clothes. Second, don't eat much fast food. Third, don't watch TV late.
Don't worry, Mommy. We are big kids now. We know how to take care of ourselves.
Goodbye, my family. Remember to be responsible, help each other, and keep our home clean.
Goodbye, Mommy. Have a safe trip. Goodbye, Mommy. Yay! Free time. Let's play video games all day. Noah, I'm so hungry. Me too. Let's go to the kitchen. I think Daddy finished cooking. Oh no, what is happening to the kitchen? Daddy, are you okay?
I am sorry, Emma and Noah. I wanted to cook lunch for you. But cooking is so difficult.
Daddy, I am very hungry, but I don't want to eat this. It looks like a rock. That's right, Daddy. I don't want to eat the dark eggs either. The soup smells burnt.
Okay. Don't worry. I'll order pizza and fried chicken instead. Hello? Your pizza and fried chicken have arrived. Thank you very much. You saved our lunch today. Enjoy your meal. Have a great day.
Daddy, this fried chicken is so delicious. I can eat it all week. Oh no! Where is my favorite dinosaur sock? I remember putting it here. Where is it? Noah, you've been throwing your things everywhere for 2 days. How can you find them now? Mommy was right. Messy habits always bring bad consequences. This looks so funny. I really miss Mommy. I'm tired of fast food. My tummy hurts because of all this pizza and fried chicken. Me too, Noah. Pizza doesn't taste special anymore. I really miss Mommy's cooking.
Hi, Emma. Hi, Noah. Daddy is home. I am so tired. Working is already hard, and now I must take care of the house and the kids alone.
Dad, we miss Mommy. We miss our tidy house and Mom's delicious cooking.
Hello, everyone. I am home. My business trip finished earlier than expected.
Oh no. What happened to the house? It looks like a war zone.
Mommy, we missed you so much. We are so sorry, Mommy.
Lucy, welcome home. We really need you. We are sorry. This house cannot run without you.
I understand now, Mom. I'm sorry. I promise to clean my room and put my socks in the basket every day. Me too, Mommy. I will help wash the dishes after dinner and clean up my toys.
I was wrong, Lucy. Housework is not easy. Thank you for everything you do for us.
Good. Brave people admit their mistakes and fix them. Now, let's start our cleaning mission.
I'm wiping the dining table with a cloth.
And I'm tidying up my toys. Red blocks here, blue blocks there. This is fun. Goodbye, messy room. Goodbye, fast food boxes.
Wonderful. No more messy floors.
Family is strongest when we share the housework.
A clean home brings a healthy and happy life.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye, everyone. See you in our next adventure.